Now let's meet Stephen Wesel, who was recently promoted to Associate Director of Process Development during his brief time here at Forge. Stephen, congratulations.
Thanks, Dan.
Yeah. So what would you say makes the work that we're doing here at Forge, working in gene therapies for rare diseases, what makes that different than working at, I don't know, your sort of run-of-the-mill company that makes research for research sake or something like that?
Yeah, I'd say our work here has a much greater chance of being highly impactful. So what you will do personally as part of a smaller company or a startup has a much greater impact on the company as a whole. And also, you have a much greater chance to actually make a real impact on the patients' lives.
Tell me a little bit about the day-to-day life here at Forge. Bring us into the culture and the interactions you have with people and just the overall vibe. What's your experience been like?
Everyone's very, very helpful. If you ever have a question, you're encouraged to ask questions, you're encouraged to learn. And I'd say part of the culture here too is we want people to grow and we want people to stick around.
Stephen, what is it that you know now that you wish you had known when you were just graduating college?
Yeah, I remember one of my frustrations coming right out of college and applying for jobs was, how do you get experience when you don't have experience and you require experience to do the job, right?
Chicken or the egg situation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the good news is, Forge Biologics is one of these companies where if you're passionate about what you do, you feel like you're qualified, definitely send in your application because we're hiring entry-level positions. And day one, you're going to come in, hit the lab, and start building up that list of experiences to keep moving up.
Stephen, thank you so much for taking the time to give us some insight into what it's like to work here at Forge Biologics.
Absolutely. Happy to help.